Alright, hello everybody. Today I'll be showing you how to install themes for your Ubuntu system. Now, before you do any of this, you will need to follow these simple instructions. I'm using this guy. I don't know how to say the name, but credit to him for the Flatabulous pack as well. I will not be installing this one in this video, considering I already have it, but you will be needing to get Ubuntu Tweak. It says that this doesn't come pre-installed. It's very easy to install by simply copy and pasting some commands in your terminal. So my terminal looks stupid right now, but we'll fix that here in a second. So, installation, here's the update and all that. You can ignore this for the update. To get Ubuntu Tweak, you need to have these source codes right here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and copy those and paste them to a library. No, actually. Let's see here. I need to go ahead and open up my software center real quick. So I accidentally opened Kden Live again. That's really an inconvenience to me sometimes. I had to open that up and exit it. So Ubuntu software. I'm going to install LeafPad. I enjoy LeafPad more than anything. So it comes pre-installed on Kali Linux, which I use frequently, so it's fun. I've got an update. Oh, there's an update. So I'll go ahead and install that as well. Installing that and installing that. So now we have LeafPad. We don't need it on here, my launcher, but let me go ahead and save it over to here. So we got our LeafPad right here. So I'll go ahead and save those there. Yep. Options. Hard warp. Need that. Okay. So here's to get Ubuntu Tweak. So which you will need. Okay. So once you get that, we're gonna go ahead and find another theme. So there's plenty of online resources to get themes from. Also, the reason why I said it was sad that this doesn't come pre-installed on 1604 is because it shows everything that you have right here. It'll tell if your system's up to date or not. It shows your operating system, your hardware, software, and it comes pre-installed with the janitor as well, which is neat. Tweaks, and you've got many tweaks. All this stuff right here. So let's. Whenever you do this, open up your terminal and you can paste in those commands that I told you to. And whenever you do that, whenever you install those, we'll go ahead and find us a nice theme that we want to work with. So we'll go ahead and head over to Google, go to Unity Themes. Let's see. I don't want to install. I don't know how to install. 10 best Linux themes compared. We'll click this one. I think I already have it open though. Right now I'm gonna be, I have Flatpak, which is probably my favorite one, but we're gonna install one just for this tutorial. The icon themes, I like themes that come with their own icons. And icons, so OSX Dark and Light and icon. I kind of like that, but let's go on down here and look through. Okay, I think this one will work right here. Let's see what environment it runs on. Based on GTK, Ubuntu, Linux, Mint. So you can install on all these. So what we're going to do is copy these from our repository. Go ahead and add that repository PPA from there. So what you do is open your terminal up right here, Control V it, or Control C and then Control V it. So go over here, Control C, open your terminal, Control V. Well, no, I mean Shift Control V. Hit Enter, password, hit yes, and it'll do all this. Now you just sudo app-get update. And that's fine. You can ignore that, and Control C that, Control Shift V it in there. Alright, now we need this right here. So Control C, Control Shift V, and install it, and it's done. It's a very small package. Unable to locate. Well, maybe it didn't do that. Maybe it didn't work. So let's go through our commands real quick. Okay, enter. Okay, so that's fine. Let's see here. Sudo apt-get update. There we go. That's what we needed. Okay, now sudo apt-get install vivacious. It's just dash colors dash gtk dash dark. Hit yes. Sometimes it's better if you just type it in instead of copy and pasting. Sometimes it's better just to copy and paste. Sometimes copy and pasting is the only way to go. Sometimes typing it out is the way to go. So you need your terminal and basic key knowledge, and I will link this in the description so you can choose, and you can find your own online as well, as long as they work with Unity or whatever you're using. As you can see, it has a list here of what it works for: Ubuntu, Linux, Mint, Fedora, Arch, OpenSUSE, Debian, and testing SID. And yes, I do love Linux, but I need you to go away. Why are you here? Okay, just click off of it. Anyway, so now that's done, we need to get the final one. Sudo apt-get install vivacious colors gtk light. Alright. Alright. GTK colors, GTK theme. Theme is one of the best modern Ubuntu themes, which is designed with Rafinity open design team. The theme supports all the desktop environments, which is based on Seymour. Okay, we can see more and see if they have an icon pack as well. I don't think they do, but this is just for an example. Icons are highly easy to install. Ubuntu desktop. So as you can see right here, it doesn't seem like they have an icon set, which is fine. You can find those as well online. So now that we have this installed, and you have installed your Ubuntu tweak, you need to go ahead and open that up and click on your themes. So in your themes, from this you can, well, it should be here. I have to restart this actually. I have to restart Ubuntu tweak, so we can. Oh well, it's already set up right there. Loading, and let's go ahead and make that big screen. Themes, and here you go. Every vivacious theme is on here. So as you can see, it's got a ton. So we'll go with, did not expect it to have that many, but they're small. It takes up hardly anything. So let's see what the dark aqua looks like. Okay, the dark aqua is nice actually. I like the way they have this set up over here. It's kinda, it's nice, it's clean. Let's see what else they got. I like green. They got a green pro. Okay, doesn't do much really. Not liking that too much. So let's keep going through here. Red. See how the red looks. Red still looks the same. So they might have some problems with some of those. So we'll just go with the dark aqua pro. Maybe not. Maybe we'll just dark aqua. It seems like the pros don't work as well as the other ones. So we can come up through here and just do like a dark teal. And there we go. The teal color. And there we go. And also with Ubuntu tweak, you can set your icon packs to however you want them to look. So for me, you can use like humanity, and it changes some things. Ultra flat, which is what I use. Windows theme, you can set this as well to like aqua, which is what I probably should have checked in the first place. So whenever we have a window open like Firefox, it will it'll look different like it is now, which is neat. So it's cool that they have that window theme added. I like that. And that's about it. That's all you have to do, guys. I'll add these links in the description on all the things that you can get. I'll install. I'll put this link in the description, and you can find your own if you want. But for now, I'm going to show you what I base mine off of. So I'll go ahead and change mine back to what I like, which is Flatabulous, Ultra Flat. I keep my cursor at white glass because I just like the way it feels, and Flatabulous. And I think that looks beautiful right there. And you can also install them from .debs, which is very easy to use. But so now we can go back, and you get your miscellaneous here. And also, what I advise you to do after doing this is, let me think of what it was. Let's see here. What was it? Was it in the themes? I don't think it was. Admins, no. I think it might have been in Unity. Yes, it was in Unity. Launcher click to minimize. So, pre-installed on Linux 1604. Whenever you open a tab, it opens up, but whenever you would click this, say let's open this back up. So if I turn this off, like it's already turned off so I can't click it to close it. But if I turn this on, I can open it and close it, open it and close it, and that is a big thing for me. So thank you guys for watching, and subscribe for another tutorial. Peace.